Hey everybody. I wanted to do a little video welcoming you guys into the WeBWorK homework system for Intro to Problem Stats. Just give you guys a little feel of what's going on there. So you'll see the website here, webwork.ecok.edu/webwork2. This is a free homework system. Comparable homework systems charge the students between $40 and $100. So we've been using this one for a while here at the university. I'm actually the admin of the system here. And while it has some limitations, you can't go wrong with the price. So I want to jump in and show you guys around a little bit in your course. So you should look for your course here. They're done by the number. So we're going to be in Math 1223 for fall 2020 online. This screen will change as courses get put in and taken out, especially as the semester gets going here. So we click here. Your username will be your ECU username. So the first three initials of your first name, your middle initial, first three initials of your last name. No at or anything after that, so just that first part. Your password, your initial password, will be your student number. So I'm going to join in here as the administrator, but there we go. So I've gotten logged in. When I get logged in, I have a little bit of a different view. You guys see I have an instructors tool thing, but otherwise, maybe some edit buttons. You guys will see the same thing. So we've got some homework sets here. These are not quite yet open. I'm a little early in making this video. But when you guys get in here, things will be open. So I always suggest that students start with the orientation. There's some challenging problems in the orientation, and there's some really easy ones. I'll give you credit for this. Part of the package. I will say that there's a lot of extra stuff here. You really need about 80% of what's here, so you don't have to get every question right. Most of the term quizzes have 5 questions with unlimited attempts. You should be able to get every question on the terms. But when you get into the modules, there are 25 questions, and some of them have restrictions. You're only allowed, on any of these problems, you're only allowed 3 attempts. So that's some of that interesting things. Let's go in here to the orientation. I'll show you the first question in the orientation. First question in the orientation is just how this screen is set up. It's a little bit of reading here, and if you get to the bottom, it tells you to that you can hit submit and you'll get credit for it. So one of the big things that I love to see is this big green bar. It means I got all the portions of that question correct. So as you're moving through your problems, when you get that big green bar, it means you got everything right. I'm not actually able to hit submit here because this homework set's not open yet. One other thing I should show you guys is there are achievements that you can earn as you go through. I don't have any achievement data here yet, but the achievements will allow you to do things like extend the due date beforehand, make things worth more points. I will say they're pretty powerful. And you'll earn them throughout the semester. So watch out for those. I will honor anything they do, but I will say that the achievements is a little buggy, and I'm not going to be able to reopen things for you if it doesn't work. So you can try to use them, but it's not the end of the world if they don't work. You guys are probably, you have lots of opportunities here for things. Maybe I should show you one more thing. When I'm in a problem here, I went to a problem, there are the preview and the check, and there'll be a button for submit when the homework's open. There's also this email instructor. Email instructor is really nice. This goes directly to my inbox when you send an email from here, and it gives me a link so I can come back and see exactly what you were doing. So I think that's a really powerful tool that'll help me identify where you guys were if you guys need help on the homework here. The grades tool is not terribly powerful. I will say that I have to manually take the numbers from WeBWorK and put them into Blackboard. So I'll probably only do it a few times during the semester. In Blackboard, I'll mention what date I did it on. to give you guys an idea what your grade was at that point. But remember, it'll only hold for that time. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. But that is WeBWorK. Our WeBWorK here, webwork.ecok.edu/WeBWork2. Make sure you find your right class, and your login is your ECU username, and your password is your student number. All right, keep working hard.